Hi YouTube family, my name is Elysia English and welcome back to my channel. Today Philip and I are going to tackle a little porch makeover. Spring is in the air and we're excited to be spending a lot more time out there when the snow finally melts. So we want to do a little upgrade to the rest of the screen and porch area that we worked on earlier in the year. But we have some news because we've been waiting for several weeks for something to come in the mail that we wanted to add to our little dinette kitchenette area, and it's finally here. And this is something that we have been actually wanting to have in real life, is to actually one day maybe own a Highland cow. But for now we have to suffice with just a portrait of one. So I ordered Philip a Highland cow. So we'd like to introduce you to our new family member who Chase has named Henry. Welcome to the family, Henry. You look fabulous in the kitchen. The boys deliberated and Chase decided that we were gonna name him Henry. So now, until one day when we can own a real Highland cow, we can appreciate Henry every time we eat in the kitchen. We would love to have just a couple of Highland cows as a pet one day, not for any type of like breeding facility or anything. We just think they're so dreamy. If you've never seen them before, look them up on Google. Highland cows, the orangish, bronzy kind of color ones, we're kind of obsessed with. So anyways, we wanted to introduce you to Henry, and we are off now to do the makeover on the porch.
We're just picking up the leftovers that are left on the porch, and then Elysia's gonna give it a really nice vacuum and clean, and then
Restart the flooring.
we can start laying the flooring. Yes.
I also want to de-Christmas the porch because it's now February and we have been kind of just still enjoying the lights at nighttime outside. And I've really been liking making my own seasonal wreath. I didn't know I was a wreath person, and so until I started making my own. My I really love Christmas needs to go because, well, it's February. So we had to take this down and make a new wreath. See how crumbly and uneven it is? So that's why I was thinking if we leave the carpet down,
Yeah.
the flooring will probably lay more even.
Yeah.
Because it's,
I think so.
that's
too.
the edges where it's actually, over here I feel like it's even more crumbly underneath.
Yeah, we'll just leave this.
Not
down
falling
and
apart, just because of the glue over the years of the
Yeah.
carpet underneath. So.
No, we'll lay over top. You know, concrete is not supposed to go on the front porch, right?
Well, I'm guessing it dripped out of a garbage bag.
Yeah.
It's like in the fibers. Phil, my love for you is like concrete.
Yeah.
It's almost Valentine's.
Aww.
I was gonna be like, every day is like Valentine's with you, Phil.
Aww. Thanks, hon. I thought you were gonna be like, my love for you is like concrete shoes that you're gonna go in to the bottom of the ocean.
How many Valentines have we had together? So since we were 19.
Oh gosh.
So 19 Valentines.
Wow.
19 Valentine's days.
And what was your favorite thing that I've gotten you?
I like it when you and the boys give me breakfast in bed. I don't care about gifts on Valentine's Day. I think Valentine's gifts are kind of silly, but breakfast in bed, I will take that any day. You guys do that for me when it's not Valentine's sometimes. Come on, concrete. I'm almost there. This is durable carpet. I mean, like, concrete got chipped over. And it didn't.
I hope it acts as like a little membrane between the concrete and the
Just
floor.
a little bit. Okay, so we're actually going to be using the leftover boxes of flooring that we have from our gym renovation. This is the vinyl press and go. It's super easy to install, and one of the things we liked about this was obviously that it matched what we used in the house, but it is waterproof, although it is not technically supposed to be for outside. So it is going to expand and contract with the temperature, and we're hoping that it kind of is not too bad, but we're not overly concerned because it's a pretty small space and it's just 3 boxes of flooring that we had left, but you know we hate having scrap, so we're gonna give it a go. But if you are looking at doing any flooring outside of your own house, please make sure that you check at your local home hardware what is actually perfect for your job, and consider temperature for sure.
Absolutely.
The stuff was so easy to install though. This small space should be a breeze. Hey Phil, you're gonna breeze right through this. I've been bugging Phil all day. It's been super fun.
You never bother me though. You think you are, but you never are.
Aww. So basically what you do is you just run the flooring all the way down, starting from the longest wall on the upper left corner, and you just run it all the way down until you need a cut piece. You put your cut piece at the end, and then use the remainder from that cut piece to start your second row all the way over here. And as you can see, it's so easy to click together.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. 'Cause 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 'c to play and you're fun and your games. Always
I have forgotten how cold it is right now. -11? Feels like +11.
It does, actually. It feels really warm, and I'm excited to get this finished, and it looks so good.
Looks so nice. Okay, so I've just gotten all of the Christmas decorations off of the front here. I just need to remove some of the little 3M sticky clips that I did. And I got them off this side as well. And I know some of you are gonna think I've officially lost my marbles, but we had to move the hinges on the door so that it was a little more secure with our frame and porch with the dogs. And because I needed to move the hinges, I now have some spots to paint on the door, which is now a green. So this door has now been yellow and green. And I think I'm gonna change the color because now that I have to paint it anyways, I don't wanna have to go out and buy any more paint. I wanna just use what I have. So I think that my door color is going to change, but stay tuned because I need to decide. So if you have any votes on color, we have a beautiful white house, black roof. What color should the door be?
I'm thinking maybe a blue.
A blue?
Soft blue
Maybe like the blue in the kitchen?
Yeah.
I have that color paint here. Do a little dance on the new floor.
What a dance.
Dance floor. Oh my god. Never a dull moment when you live with Philip.
Can't pass up an
Did you-
opportunity to dance.
Oh my goodness. So we have the flooring all done. And now what we want to do is tie in just this end cap here to this little step that we made in the fall, actually. I think we did this. And so this is going to go on top here, and it's concrete behind. So we're going to put the finishing edge on here so that no one kind of catches that end rather than doing a transition strip, which isn't really going to help us on a porch here. Ready? Okay, well, we gotta move the GoPro. Move the GoPro. All right. You good?
Yeah.
Oh, it's better size for sure. So, you get the pillows?
Is it comfy?
Join me on my thinking couch. The flooring looks so great, and I wanted to show you this pickup that we found thrifted. So I was looking for just a smaller couch because don't worry, I have not gotten rid of the yellow couches out here. We love the yellow couch, but I have some other plans for it. And it was actually too long for this space because when we opened the door, we had to push the couch down kind of both ways. So it was kind of frustrating with the dogs going in and out. So we wanted something a little bit shorter, and we were able to find this IKEA couch for only $80 on Marketplace. The people that were selling a house actually bought it just to stage the home, so it was absolutely brand new, never sat on, and it didn't have any legs though. They forgot to order the legs. So Philip and I added some little wood vintage antique legs here to the bottom, which really upped the style of this couch and made it all that much better than if this was just sitting flat on the ground. So if you're ever looking to add any additional style to a thrifted couch, or even a new couch for that matter, think about adding some legs maybe from something else to give it a little bit of a custom look. So overall, this entire couch only cost me $80 because we already had the little feet, and I usually pick up things like that at yard sales all the time, like secondhand feet, even if I don't know what I'm gonna use for them yet. So I love this space, but right now we still need to get our door painted. I'm gonna build some actual like custom furniture for out here since it isn't that big of a space. I want to do maybe some round nesting tables, and of course that cute planter stand that I made the other day is going to go out here with some plants on it in the spring when the weather warms up. But for now we're kind of limited to what we can put out here. But over the next couple days I think we're going to make some pillows and a few other things for the space, so stay tuned. We're going to show you a few more of these things and maybe even some sneak peeks on Instagram, so don't forget to follow us online there and see some of our stories. Also, we're going to be adding some YouTube shorts, so if you see really short videos that are under a minute that are set that say #shorts, you know that we're going to be giving you guys some sneak peeks of upcoming stuff in those as well, and maybe just some funny behind the scenes things going on. We love you guys. Thank you so much for being with us on this cold, frosty -14 day. We love you guys, and we will see you on the next episode.